Inzmo Invest app pricing explained what you get for your money. Inzmo Invest is a mobile investing platform aimed at simplifying investing for both beginners and experienced users. Many assume investing apps are expensive or complicated, but Inzmo focuses on transparency and affordability. The app offers a free plan with basic portfolio tracking and research tools. For active investing, the premium plan costs $99 per month and includes unlimited trades, automated portfolio rebalancing, and access to curated apps. Managed portfolios carry a 0.25% annual management fee, covering asset allocation, monitoring, and optimization. Users can invest in fractional shares, set up recurring contributions, and access goal-based investing strategies. For example, a monthly investment can be automatically allocated across a diversified portfolio to match your risk tolerance with minimal effort. The surprising truth is that for under per month, investors can access professional-grade investing tools, automation, and portfolio management benefits that once required expensive advisors. Most people underestimate how much convenience and efficiency these features provide in growing long-term wealth. In conclusion, Inzmo Invest pricing is simple, transparent, and designed to help investors build wealth efficiently. Understanding both the subscription and management fees ensures you get the full value of the platform, while minimizing costs.